Welcome back to a tutorial. Today we're gonna learn about some basic type variable that we can manipulate in C++. In this video is an introduction video that we really learn some basic component you will meet later on. That we can use this small and basic component to build functional program that can support and can be useful, and you can learn about logic and how to manipulate the memories pointer later on. In this course, I don't recommend you guys is completely beginner and never have any experience building some coding project. And I recommend you guys watching some tutorial that you have basic understanding about how the programming work in general before you start to learn C++, because this is not really beginner friendly. I recommend this one to be the first time student and college student want to learning and want to study how the really low level language work under the hood. Get back to the video. The first type of variable that we have, the integer variable. In this variable can use to store the basic number. So we need to store my number 14. Another type of variable that we have, that's called double. This one is still number but bigger. So basically I'm gonna store 9, something like this. Another type of variable, that character variable. I will use this one to store the character K. Next one we got string. In this string I will assign to my name random name will be placed here. So this one we get another type of variable called Boolean variable. In this variable I will use it to check either my statements false. I will assign this one checker and initialize to false. The next one I'm gonna use, imagine I need to check the user input number, is that number is small, medium or large. We use one more variable int to checking my input of the user input. I will leave it blank from now, and then first I will prompt another output to ask user for the input number. Please enter a number to check, and we jump to next slide. So the next one we're gonna input the user and store it to the variable user input. Basically all I need. And then down here I will develop the symbol logic to check either user input smaller than 20. If so, I will see out your number is small. Then we flip the check into true. Another statement that we need to check that makes sure the user input greater than or equal to 20 but less than 100. We will print out your number is large. check will be false. Now we're gonna check the code to see how it's work. So now the program asks me, oh, it's missing the E, and we check it. Please enter a number to check. Sorry, I'm gonna enter the number 40. So you would check this number 40. This number is large number because this one is larger than 20. Basically, in this program, what you learn is some different type of variable and how you can use it to build and develop some simple logic. Maybe you build a calculator, you manipulate the user input and store the user input into the integer. If you have any question regarding this topic, leave the comment down below and we try to answer all your question. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content or you want me to make any different tutorials. See you in the next video.